Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off Windows Update in Windows 11 permanently. So for that, first you have to click on press the Windows and the R button in your keyboard. After that, Windows Run will open. You can also open Windows Run from searching here. So after the Windows Run is open, you have to click type here services.msc. So you have to type this. After typing, you have to click on OK. Once it gets open, you have to go down, scroll down, and you have to go all the way down. In here you will find Windows Update option. So right click on it and properties. From here you have to click on start. So I have already turned it off once, so I'm turning it on again. So for it to work, you have to click on here and click on never, but for some reason my one is not showing that option, because maybe I have just enabled it here. So I have to make a restart, so then they will show me the options again. But in short, you have to open this option, and from here you have to open it, right click, and you will find that option, manual. You have to click on manual, and from there you have to click on never, then you have to click on OK. And there is another option here, you can see Windows Update Medic Service. You have to also click right click on it and go to properties, and from here you have to similarly click, and you have to click on never. So that way the update will permanently be turned off. So that's how you do it, but make sure to press OK and close this, and you have to restart the PC once. So after that the Windows Update will be permanently turned off in Windows 11, or you can do it in some earlier Windows version as well, like Windows 10 or 8. You can turn off the update in this way on those versions as well. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.